Hello, my name is Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski. Believe it or not, you probably heard it hundreds of times at this point. How to stop judgment? God knows better, my friend. That's a simple answer. But let us begin the video, shall we? How do I stop judging? Am I good enough? Am I enough? Am I handsome enough? Am I strong enough? Am I this or that or the other? I don't like this and I like this, and this person is judging me and I'm judging them, and how could they do this to me, and how could they say that, and they're so this and they're so that, and I don't like that and I don't like this, and this should be like this and reality should be like that, and why things are the way they are. I want this and I want that, and I want things to be different, and I want things to be better, and I want things to be greater and grander. Well, guess what? There are none of these things. Absolutely none of them. These are all just your judgments, your perceptions that you created within your mind that are creating a separation between you and God. One very beautiful line that God said to me one day is, you know, your life could be so beautiful and so happy if you just stop judging. You're not here to be the judge, my friend. You're here to experience life. You're here to enjoy life. You're here to explore the vast array of possibilities and explorations of that which you are. And if you just let go of the judgment, you will recognize the perfection within that which is around you. And the moment you do, you will be able to change it. Not from the space that you want to change it, but by recognition of perfection that is within your life. And the more you focus upon the perfection that is within your life, you're going to create more and more perfection. And not because you want to create more perfection, just by the sheer fact of focusing upon it. Where the attention goes, that's where the energy flows. And so by focusing on perfection, by focusing upon divine even, you're creating more and more divine life, more and more perfect life. Not because you want it to be more perfect, but because you're recognizing that it exists, and you're collapsing your focus and attention upon it, and you're sending your energy there. And the more energy you send there, the more of it you create. Simple. Very simple, my friend. And so the perfection also expands itself and becomes better perfection. That's a very interesting paradox as well, that if you recognize perfection and you experience perfection, you have expanded yourself as a being. And since you have expanded yourself as a being, you have expanded your capacity for the exploration of perfection within your life. What that means is, the more you experience perfection, the more perfect perfection you are going to experience. So more perfect perfection than perfect. Because your understanding of perfection expands, because you already experienced it. And none of this happens from the space of wanting to be more. Because the moment you want more, you're going into lack and you're going into less. More equals less. Another video. And so it has to come from the space of here and now and the recognition of that which is. And the more you focus upon the recognition of the good that exists, you're amplifying that good, and eventually that good will become great, and the great will become perfect, and the perfect will become divine. Simplify, but that's how it goes, basically. Allow yourself to see the perfection of being wherever you are. Let go of judgments. By judging things, that they should be like this or you want them to be like this, you're telling God how to do his job. My friend, I'm pretty sure that God knows better how to do his job. And he has created for you exactly that which you wanted to explore. I was in a lot of suffering in the past, but that is exactly what I needed to explore because I chose it myself because I was too stubborn. I wouldn't listen. I would not yield. I was too proudful, too lustful, too slothful, too greedy, too wrathful, too envious, so on, so forth, to allow it to see a different way. I didn't care about the light. I didn't care about God. And I focused upon suffering because that's what I saw. And so I was amplifying it more and more and more until eventually I came to a breaking point. And I changed. And everything changed. I almost died as a result. Basically died. Had to learn how to walk after that experience. But there is always hope, my friend. You can always change your life. So stop judging. Things are the way they are. I am that I am. And that is okay. And that is perfect within itself. And the recognition of perfection within the present moment will change the circumstances into perfection in every aspect of your life. Peace be upon you. I bless you. Have an amazing day, my friend, full of recognition of perfection. Focus upon the light. Leave a comment down below and perhaps a like. Subscribe, because I've got more videos coming your way with a lot of valuable knowledge. Until next one. Bye.